Bread. This thing's got a, now it's got a, like a shadow in the middle of it. I don't know why.
I see.
And I don't know if it'll, look at Jason's plate. See the little shadow, right? In my camera.
Uh-huh.
See it? See, look at the table. Look at the table.
Yeah.
I don't know if it'll come up on the... Alright, we're in Panera Bread near Toledo, Ohio. Coming back from Splash.
We don't live here. We don't live here.
But you'd like to live here, wouldn't you?
No. I would like to live here and eat. Here for lunch.
Macaroni and cheese. Tuna.
It's really cheesy.
Italian something or other, which is not Italian at all. And I thought when I ordered Italian it was going to be like a meatball marinara or something. That's what I was thinking. Whatever.
Try yours. Wait.